What's happening, everybody? Hope you, your friends, family are all safe, healthy, and happy. There's a quick look at the garden. It's about 50 degrees out, so not too bad. It was supposed to be cooler today, in the 30s, maybe the low 40s, but we're about to hit 50, so it's not too bad. But I wanted to give you an update of the seeds that I planted indoors last week. It's been about 10 days now, so I'm going to bring you inside. We'll take a look at them, and then I'm going to bring you back out to the garden. So here we go. All right, so here's the update on the onions. They're doing pretty good. Here's all the onions. I'm just starting to get some peppers coming up. I may have to replant these ones and these ones, though, the basil and the flavor burst. Here is what else is going on. These are the tricolor beans, or the three-color beans. Everything is doing fantastic. My tomatoes are looking a little weak, though, so I may keep them inside. I got to keep them inside for a couple more days because it's still going to be cold. But everything is doing very good. I'm very happy with it so far. The Cocozelli squash is finally coming up. That one took a while, but yeah, I'm very happy with mostly with what's going on here and what we've planted 10 days ago. So let's go back and take a look at the garden. All right, back out in the garden, I had to do a lot of cleanup. I had a lot of weeds out here, grass growing in the garden. Last year, if you watched any of my videos, I fractured my foot at the end of the gardening season, so I didn't make it back out here to clean up at the end. So I spent all pretty much this last week cleaning up out here. I still got a lot to do. I got a couple of things coming from Lowe's and just kind of putting things back in the bed. I got some chives still from last year, some mint still that's getting ready to come back, some green onions, some thyme that is still growing from last year, and here's the garlic. Garlic's doing pretty good. I planted that the first week in November, so that's doing really good right now. So yeah, I still got some cleanup to do, some organization to do, and I think next week it'll start getting warm enough, at least where I can put everything out here, transplant it out in the garden. Over the next couple of days, I'm going to be doing some hardening. I'll bring the plants outside for an hour, 2 hours, something like that. Let them start getting some wind and some sun. Yeah, and then hopefully in about a week, I'll be able to transplant, and we'll have a video on that. So appreciate you. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share it with your friends. This is just a quick update. Appreciate y'all. Have a fantastic week. I'll make another video if something new comes up, and be good to each other.